Hi, this is Ritesh, and now we are discuss about the soft assertion, how to use soft assertion in testng. Basically, before knowing what is a soft assertion, first let's see what is an assert and what is a disadvantage in using assert and why we are moving soft assertion. Basically, assert are used to perform validation in the test script. Basically, there are two type of assert: hard assert and second one is soft assert. When an assert fails, the test script stops execution unless handled in some form. We call general assert as hard assert. What is a hard assert? Hard assert throw an assert exception immediately when an assert statement fails and test is continue with next at the rate test. Basically, the disadvantage of hard assertion is it makes method as fail if assertion condition get fail and remaining statement inside the method will be aborted. To overcome this, we need to use soft assertion. Basically, soft assertion. Now we are going to discuss about soft assert. Soft assert collect errors during at the rate test. Basically, soft assert does not throw an exception when an assert fail and would continue with the next statement after the assert statement. If there is any exception and you want to throw it when you need to use assert all method as the last statement. Basically, here is a sample program and I have to generate soft assertion as equal to new soft assert and I am using assert equal. Basically, it will take two argument. One is the expected actual and the description of the test steps, and we need to use the assert all method method as a large statement in the at the rate test, and test should again continue with next at the rate test at it is. Basically, we need to create an object of using soft assert which is not needed in hard assert. Basically, in hard assertion we are not making any object. Check if you suppose basically in soft assertion we are using very first line soft assertion as equal to new soft assert. This is the beginning statement of the each at the rate test method. We here we can write like the is first statement. For example, the test one is the first statement, and we have to just uh, using assert equal method, and we have to just deliberately pass the true and is the final step. And here we write four steps, and I have deliberately failed the like a test step 2 to demonstrate how it will execute the next statement after failing second statement. And this is third and this is fourth, and effort all is a very it's the last statement of the test cases because it will throw the like the assert matters true or false, whether the like in above statement whatever the statement is getting failed and whatever is getting false. And now we have to just run this method. Here the testng is assert annotation test soft assert. Basically, it will like import from here in SoftAssert, and we have to just run this method. Now we can run this testng method. Now we analyze the result. Let's see. It will execute test1, test2, test3, test4 statement, and here is the test2 statement is getting failed. Here is the test2 statement getting failed. Have to give the it will give the the following assertion fail. Is it this is the test step 2 is getting failed, and it will show the information in the console, and if the any statement fail or all the test cases is getting failed. But in this statement there is a 4 statement, and out of 4, 3 statement is pass and will generate only test 2. Then we need to focus only on test 2 statement. We need not to test verify all the statement. We have to simply look and report this statement for fixing. Now this is the end of video. If you really like it, then please subscribe my channel and like this video very. Have a nice day.